Welcome back to another Tips and Tricks Thursday. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool product that you should have. Now, if you're in the market for a thermal camera because you're getting into diagnosing and troubleshooting shorts and other problematic issues with devices, whether that's on Apple products, Androids, laptops, consoles, you name it, a good thing to have is a thermal camera. And there are so many out there, you might be wondering which one's right for you. And although all of them will get the job done, one of the ones that I've really come to enjoy is the Super IR Cam Mini S. So let me show you all about it. The actual camera itself is super small. Take a look at how small that is. And one of the cool features about it is it has this little mounting system, which can easily attach to several different things, in particular, a microscope. Not only does it allow you to put it in a place where you're probably going to be using it, because most of the time when you're using an infrared camera, you're also using a microscope, but it allows you to line up the view of the thermal image with the microscope's image. That way in real time you're able to view under a microscope what's going on while displaying the thermal signature of what you're looking at on a monitor. Let me show you how I install it and what it actually looks like. So it's really simple to set up. I'm just going to put it anywhere on the frame, tighten that down, and you can see it's got quite a bit of adjustability here to line it up. A little baggie comes with the Allen wrenches that you'll need. I'm just going to slide this on. We'll tighten the two locking screws down. And now it's just a matter of playing around with where I want it. Do I want it up here, kind of out of the way? Finding the right angle and tightening it down in place so that where your microscope is looking, it's also looking. The cable is really nice because it comes with the two screws that'll hold this in place so it doesn't come detached. And it's a type C to USB, so it can plug right into your USB on your computer. So here I'll just plug it on in. We'll tighten these on down. I'm going to take off the little rubber shield here, and I'm just going to guesstimate where I want it right now. And now that I've locked that into place, it's not going to move too much. We'll pull up the software for it. So what you probably need to do is head on over to conley.cn and go to their downloads page. And what you're looking for is the MIR download link, and you can see right here it's got the Super IR Cam 2S, 1S, and the Super IR Cam Mini and the Mini S, right, the new model. So we're going to click download here, and we'll wait for this to download. Shouldn't take more than a few seconds. We're going to go ahead and extract. We can open it up. One thing that we need to do is restart the computer now that it's downloaded, because it's not working, and I just got a notification saying I need to do that. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, I have no idea exactly what I'm looking at here. I'm just gonna click one. Go ahead and finish setting that up. These are probably the two drivers. We'll go ahead and finish setting up those drivers. Yeah, please install the driver. All right, and there it pops up. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over to English. I'm gonna restart the camera. And it seems to be thinking. Okay, it's starting to have an image. And there we go. You can see my fingers moving there. So now what's kind of nice about this is you can see we've got the camera for the microscope set up. Let me just focus in. I can adjust the thermal camera so that it sees what I see. Now it's obviously a slightly different angle, and I've got my microscope way zoomed in, but you can get an idea of how useful this would be. All right, so there we got it, just off center there. You can see here on the screens we've got the main camera and the thermal camera going at the same time. So you can see how useful this could be when you're working on a logic board. Not only does it not interfere with the camera, with the microscope, but you also can get a thermal image of what's going on if you're trying to troubleshoot something under a microscope. All right, there you go. That's a close-up look at the IR SuperCam Mini S. This is a really good option, as you've seen, if you're in the market for an infrared camera. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.